Good day, everyone. My name is Mamus Akbos. I'm here to do a review on the ABJ coin. ABJ coin is a blockchain developed in Africa and is being used all over the world. It's a digitalized currency that will foster commerce in Africa. Now, what I want to do is just to review the site to explain some important things to you. If you look at the site very well, it tells more about the ABJ project. First of all, we talk about what ABJ can do, as in what ABJ can do. First of all, talk about the blockchain. They say ABJ will connect banks, payment providers, digital assets, exchanges, and corporates to provide one frictionless experience to use money globally. ABJ aims to provide a payment process and trade exchange between Nigeria and other parts of the world. This is achieved through the ABJ Global Trade Market, where African fiat currency can be paid for and against the ABJ. Also through the marketplace, where goods and services can be exchanged between Africa and other parts of the world in escrow payment through ABJ. What they are trying to say is that this ABJ coin will be connected to banks, will be connected to trade medium, like what we just experienced now. ABJ is now in Coin Easy Buy, whereby you can buy about 120,000 goods online, and this will start by December 1st. So we look forward to other businesses that will come up with the use of ABJ. ABJ is anonymous. Anonymous means that when you are sending money, you are receiving money, which is you are receiving ABJ coin and sending ABJ coin. You don't need to show your particulars. Your name will not show, your details will not show in the transaction. That's why it's anonymous and it's very fast. Proof of stake. Proof of stake simply means that when you hold ABJ coin in ABJ core wallet, the ABJ coin begin to mine immediately. Mining means that when you stake your coin, it will take 8 hours, the coin will mature. Then it will start to what? To produce more coin for you. And this is possible when you stake large amount of ABJ. Like if you have 1,000 and somebody that have 10,000 ABJ, the reward you will get in a day, they are very, very different. Because what? The more the coin, the more the reward. The more the weight of what? The network. ABJ is a global accessibility. All payments in the world can be fully interoperable. ABJ coin allow any bank, business or individual to securely send and receive payments anywhere at any time, with or without a bank account. ABJ coin increases global access to commerce. Then what you need to know about ABJ, they say think of it as a people's bank. Your account cannot be frozen. It is completely and always free. It is anonymous, much more secure than traditional banking, and payments can be sent to anyone in the world within seconds. Anyone can create an account just by downloading the software. This bank has no owner and cannot be shut down because it is peer to peer. It is completely transparent. There is a limited supply of coin, making it valuable and a great store of wealth like gold. This coin can only be generated by the network through proof of stake. anyone's call ABJ software generates ABJ coin as a means of what? Mining, thereby making the system digitalized and more secure as there is no central server or computer to hack. Now, if you look at it very well, you see that the total coin supply of ABJ is 30 million as against Bitcoin of 21 million. Then the algorithm is a proof of stake. Then block reward is 50 ABJ, and the percentage by staking is 1 to 100%. Now, if you look at the side where you will see that they have 4 markets whereby you can trade ABJ coin. One is the Sato wallet. Sato wallet, you can trade ABJ for Naira. Then we have the coin market. Coin market, you can trade ABJ for Bitcoin there. Then trade Satoshi, you can trade ABJ for Bitcoin. Then stock.exchange, you can trade ABJ for Bitcoin, and you can also trade it for Ethereum. Now, if you look at the bottom very well, you will see the rank of ABJ in the coin market cap. The rank is 32. Initially, in the morning, it was 275. Now, it has fallen down to 322. And if you look at, this is the market value of ABJ now, which is $0.653071, and it's losing by what? Minus 36%. So this is the best time for you to buy ABJ. The market cap is there, which is $5.4 million, and the volume is what? $102,000. These are the information you can get. And if you want to join the ABJ chat group, there's a Telegram group. Just click on it. Click on the Telegram group. You will join other forum member. There you can get more information about ABJ, how to trade. Eventually, anything you want to do concerning ABJ, we have an admin staff that can attend to you very well. Thank you.